Okay, Josh is playing with his crank over there on the floor.
Hold back.
What'd
We
you-
got a problem though with this one.
What's wrong with that one?
We gotta get this crap off.
What crap?
This crap.
What crap?
The race thing.
Race thing.
Yeah.
What's a race thing?
That thing.
What?
That.
Where did that come from?
I don't know.
You didn't tell me about that thing before.
Look, I got this nice transmission case right here, right? And I'm about to stick this on.
Okay, we got a design problem over here.
Well, this comes off. It's just this crank has been abused that it's there.
So in order to put these cranks into my crank stand over there, you didn't tell me about this spacer being on there.
I didn't know. It's been so long since I pulled that crank out.
See, that's a design change.
That's not a design change. This
one here doesn't have it on there, and that's what I made my tool for.
That's because it should slide right off. It's not supposed to be welded onto it.
Oh, it's supposed to come off easily?
Yeah, it's supposed to slide off like that one did.
Okay, so I don't have to make my tool go over this now?
No.
Oh, okay.
We just gotta pull
I like
it
that
off.
holding. Where'd you get that holding fixture from? That's a neat.
That's a nice fixture, huh?
That's an M8 holding fixture. Though. I like that. Where'd that come from?
It's nice.
How much can I charge for one of those?
That's
Alright,
a genuine Tatro M8 crank holding fixture.
Here I thought it was a stepping stool this whole time. Yeah. At least my Dawson tried some use. They sure want me to get in the truck. Okay, what we got going on here? You want to pull that thing off?
Yeah, that thing has to come off. It's supposed to come off easy, but as of right now, it's kind of welded there.
How tight is that on there?
I don't know.
Is it on there super tight or just a little tight?
I don't know. That nice.
The light duty one or the heavy duty one?
No, you can use the light duty.
The light duty
Yeah,
one?
you should use the light
I'm gonna
duty.
use the light duty one?
Yeah,
Not the heavy duty one.
not the heavy duty one.
Pumpkin bearings, I use the heavy duty one.
Well, that's not a Timken bearing. That's
It's a race.
M8 crap.
Welded on. Okay, where's the Chingasso that goes like that?
What?
It used to be in the bottom of my toolbox.
What are you talking about?
The thing that clamps on that. It used to be on the bottom of my toolbox.
I have no idea what you're talking about, Tatro.
My Chingasso.
I don't know which one you're talking about. There are many of those.
There's many Chingassos around here?
Yeah.
That's the one I need today.
One that bolts on. What? It's at the bottom of your toolbox.
It's not on that file.
It's not at the bottom of your toolbox now?
Well, that one's in storage.
Oh, the one that was at the bottom of your toolbox that is currently in storage, is what you're saying.
Some things had to go away because it wasn't room. So there's a big box of those things, and a whole bunch of those in a row away. They got moved. I'm not seeing them though. I got the bolts for them right here, but I don't have the clamshells to make them work. And so this looks really safe here. I'll stand with wrenches slung on my ass.
Yeah.
We're in the wrong shelf. We're in a customer area now. I think you lost my tools.
No,
No,
you lost them.
that's my fault now. It could be over there in that pile.
I apologize to one of these people, one of these viewers.
Did you pick on somebody again?
No, I apologize to him because he said my cameraman skills suck.
Well, get in line.
He said it made him kind of seasick.
Seasick again?
Yeah,
Yeah, they got drugs for that problem.
but I told him it's probably because I'm watching in real time, not through
You don't watch through the screen over there.
Yeah. Told him I apologize.
You know what? I think we have more missing tools.
You think, Tatro?
Yeah.
Has anyone ever been back here?
Yeah, I've been back here lots of times.
See, we got this stuff.
That's not where my tools are at. Okay, well, I got my flimsy one here. I don't know if it'll work if it's on there really good, so.
Tatro, that has arms on it.
What?
That thing.
What are you talking about?
It has arms on it.
It's not going to grab a hold of that thing, though.
What do you mean?
It has to come up higher.
Tatro, that thing has arms on it. I remember you giving me this. This whole setup one. Oh, because I need to take the race off the transmission. Yeah, I do remember this now.
Did I ever get those tools back?
Yeah, you're using them right now.
Oh, different tools.
No. Because you don't have the race puller for an M8. I don't even think you have one for a twin cam. This is what you use. Yeah.
There's the other thing over there too.
Huh?
That's a problem right there.
Oh, this thing with the Ugga Dugga?
That's a problem right there too.
What's the problem, Tatro?
This hole is almost the same size as this centerpiece, so it's going to push into the hole. Look at that. So that means we got another problem.
I can fix that.
You can? How?
Oh, no.
You don't know?
No.
Do I know?
Yeah.
Okay.
It shouldn't take that much pressure to take it off.
I don't think it'll fit. Nope, it won't fit.
Not enough room.
Close. Just enough it won't fit. We're going to see for sure. Maybe we can jam it in there.
Hey, there it is.
No, it came off this side over here.
Uh-oh.
We're literally about 30 thousandths difference. Okay, it didn't work. Okay, I need some different tools now.
So we got to use the heavy duty one. No, you got one with longer arms.
Over there on the wall over there.
Ah! Kneecaps. Over here on the wall.
Behind the hone.
Behind the hone.
Yeah, get two longer ones.
I'm assuming these are longer.
We have the shortest ones over there are. Are those the shortest ones?
Yeah.
Okay. See, we're using Dad's tools, so Dad has Dad's tools in Dad's shop.
Yeah. See, that looks long enough, Tatro.
Looks like he ripped the end of it off there, too. Yeah, see, now they're long enough. Okay, you like that setup?
Yeah, I can only... See? Told you. It was just supposed to come off. It's supposed to slide off.
It is sliding off with a tool.
Yeah, now it is. But originally it's supposed to just slide off when you take the crank out.
Well, it didn't quite come out that easy.
It wasn't a whole lot of pressure.
Let's go back on the wall because we don't use these big longs very often. Let's put these short ones back. There's some damage on the shaft.
What?
There's to be light damage on the shaft.
What damage you talking about, Tatro?
I said light damage.
Whoa, bro. That's not light.
That's not light?
That's a whole dig mark.
That's a big mark?
Let me see. Oh, it's supposed to be there. Okay.
I don't think it's supposed to be there.
It
It's
is.
just there.
It's on that one too.
That doesn't mean it's supposed to be there. It's supposed to be smooth. And luckily it's alright. It'll work. Okay, you happy with that? Here
It's
you go.
uniform.
Here you go, sir. Don't lose this.
Those are two different finishes, Tatro.
Okay, it's uniformly screwed up on both sides. Perfect.
Yeah, those are two different finishes.
Good.
Before the splines, it's a real smooth finish, and then at the splines, it's a basically machined finish.
So you got before and after things screwed up.
Yeah. Ah. For the record, this goes on there too, ladies and gents.
Fits in there?
Huh?
Fits in there correctly?
Yeah.
Good.
But there was a nice washer there.
Fine.
Ooh.
I got this wall full of tools over here.
All right.
Somebody did that wrong. I thought that was wrong.
Yeah, that is
I
wrong.
don't like that.
The handle goes on the outside, Tatro.
Well, I just thought I modified it.
No. Handle goes on the outside. Where are the shock rags at?
In my pocket. You didn't steal some from Louis? That's how you're supposed to do it.
No.
That's where that one probably came from. Where it came out of my pocket. Where's my crank?
Right here. I'm trying to pick it up and do what I gotta do, but I'm holding the camera.
Damn thing up. What's the problem?
Holding the camera.
Just a crank. Just pick it up.
Oh, you guys are gonna love this. Okay. Whoa!
Do we need indicators on there to see that?
I can't necessarily. I don't know if they can see it. I don't necessarily know if you guys can see how bad this crank really
You
is.
get back a little bit. You're too close.
I don't even know though.
You know, stand back here. There it is. And you look at both sides.
Oh yeah, you can see it now. Sheesh. All right, so we're gonna put the little things on it, and you guys are really gonna find out how bad this crank really is.
How bad is this crank?
It's bad. I know this crank is bad.
You need to wipe the oil off this thing.
I did.
Very good job. Give me a dirty rag out of this left over there.
Huh?
Give me a dirty rag over there.
Which one?
Behind the red container. Right.
Yoink.
This used to be my clean rag until you got here. Now it's a dirty rag.
That's because you used it.
It's my fault now. Yeah, I use it on your crank. Okay.
Ooh. Yeah.
That side of the scale to that side of the scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At least 6.
So that's 12 thou on that side.
Yeah, it's about the same over here. Now, if you look at the pointer, see how they're going doop, 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 doop? That's because there's a twist in the crank. So this one here is high over here. This one's high over here. Crank pin's in the middle. So, see what that means? It's high on that side. So that means we put in our chewing stand over there, or not chewing stand, our holder. We have to twist this wheel this way. It needs to come over about 6 thousandths. Got that?
So we should put a mark on it before we take it out of here. We should put a mark on it, or are we going to do this again before we actually do something?
What do you need a mark for?
To tell you which way to go.
I'm on that side over there. Didn't I just tell you that? I thought I just told you that.
Thought you said it went the other way.
You can't figure out to tighten and loosen bolts. I don't know what you can do about doing flywheels. That's a whole nother problem.
It's gonna be okay, Tatro. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be
Yeah, you
okay.
get whacked.
It's gonna be okay. Sometimes you have to remember lefty loosey.
How much torque over that?
I don't know. Enough?
About one hand.
Well, my one hand is very strong.
So
So
one hand.
is that kung fu grip one hand or
Two hand on this side, we're weaker.
why? Because you're pushing down?
Yeah. This road has no clearance in it.
Mm-hmm.
That one still has clearance in it. That's good. This one, not so good.
It's fine.
It's not binding really too much yet. A little drag, but not much. So which way does this need to go?
This way.
That way. 6 thousandths.
Yeah.
So how do you know what 6 thousandths is?
You yank on it and then measure it.
Well, if you had an indicator, you could put it on here and clamp on it. You can see how much you'd move it.
That too.
Do you have one of those?
No.
I don't have one either, so. Look at that playing all the hill. like this. See that? That's the old way of doing it.
I like the old way, Tatro. I keep telling these people, Dayton hammers work very well.
Except on this side you can't. It feels good.
Yeah, because that's the halfway point. There it is, right there.
Push against the table, I can feel it. See, that's how far out it is. It's the same we get over here. That's the old way of doing it, but that's not 100%.
That is 100%.
No,
I know a motor that has been trued like that is still running to this day.
Well, this was running too, but that doesn't mean it was good.
No, it was not running. It didn't want to run.
You didn't want to run that good?
No.
Okay.
I mean, when you see your whole compensator
there's
flex
my dirty rag.
while you're starting your bike,
Is that a problem?
that's a problem.
That's a problem?
That's kind of an indicator that something is wrong.
Oh.
That something is wrong.
All right, so we know this one's off. We need to go that way, and we got it held in with 4 bolts with at least 10,000 pounds each, because we didn't go full torque on them. Or did we go full torque? I'm not sure.
No, we went about half torque.
So instead of 18,000 or 16,000,
We had about 9, 10.
9 tenths. So we got 10,000 pounds, so 5 tons of pressure, and each one is 20 tons. What's it take to move this? No, find out.
I don't know.
Okay, we gotta make a tool now. What's this?
Nice M-mill.
I'm not using that right now. It's a hand sharpened in there. Okay, this is in the way.
That's flat though,
Okay,
and true.
it's flat and true.
Yeah.
Okay,
You gotta wipe all of that off, Tatro.
I don't have to wipe it off.
You have to.
I did wipe it off. Okay, now if we take this out, this is gonna be a different place. It's already gonna be a different place anyway. So it doesn't matter.
Right. It doesn't really matter anymore because everything is off. Once we pulled that down, it was over.
Now somebody said this wasn't a very strong setup too.
Well, considering what we were using it for, it was
Now,
very
those were
strong.
pretty loose. They loosened up a lot. We
Mm-hmm.
had a lot more torque on those before, unless you loosened them.
Mm-mm.
I never had them loosen up like that before.
We didn't loosen the last time we touched this.
That was pretty loose.
That's probably because no, we did loosen it. We did.
I hope so, because those are loose.
Yeah, we did. We loosened it because we moved the whole thing back.
I don't think we loosened that part. It was loose. So that wasn't good. This was partially loose. It's a good thing I was doing any heavy cutting,
No.
because there was definitely not very much torque on those screws. They only literally have about 15 foot-pounds of torque on there. And I know I put together a lot more than that. You got chips on this. How did that happen? Appears to be grit. Grit on the working surfaces. Okay, this apparently was not flat.
What?
I don't know, somebody said that wasn't square.
Says who? Man.
In the video they could tell by looking at it wasn't square.
Oh.
I got a lot of guys telling me a lot of stuff in videos that I take to heart.
I don't know. I would assume something machined like that would be flat. You can see the passes made on it when it was made.
Those are out of the way now.